Welcome to your tranquil escape. As the gentle chimes ring, allow your eyes to close and your body to relax. Here, we invite you to surrender to the ambient soundscape designed to guide you into a soothing state of tranquility. Picture yourself in a serene sanctuary, where the boundaries of time and space blur, making room for a timeless moment filled with peace. And the distant hustle and bustle of the world fades away, replaced by the soothing vibrations of your own heartbeat. Your worldly worries begin to evaporate, leaving behind a sense of calm and serenity. Feel the gradual rhythm of your breath. Notice the cool, refreshing air as it delicately enters your nostrils, travels down your airways and fills your lungs in a constant and harmonious cycle. Acknowledge the warm, comforting air as it leaves your body, taking with it any residual tension or stress. Each cycle of breath is a beautiful testament to the life force within you, a gentle reminder that you are here, present, and fully alive. Embark on an imaginary journey, surrounded by the spectacular beauty of nature. Envision yourself in a lush forest, or perhaps by the serene shore of a crystal clear lake. The warmth of the sun's rays caressing your skin, bathing you in a warm golden glow. Let the soft, subtle melodies of a distant flute or the gentle strumming of a harp serenade you, weaving a tapestry of sound that transports you to a realm of inner calm. These harmonious tunes, paired with the ambient sounds of nature, create a symphony of tranquility that resonates deep within your soul. Picture the vibrant leaves on the trees rustling gently in the breeze, creating a lullaby of nature's symphony. Hear the rhythmic pattern of lapping waves against the shore, or the enchanting murmur of a babbling brook. The harmonious combination of these natural sounds weaves a mesmerizing soundscape, transporting you to a tranquil haven, free from the clutches of everyday stress and strain. Let these soothing sounds wash over you, permeating every cell of your body and instilling a profound sense of peace and relaxation. This is your moment, a precious opportunity to reconnect with your innate serenity and inner peace. Allow the ambient sounds of rustling leaves, lapping waves, or a babbling brook to wash over you, creating a symphony of tranquility that resonates with your inner peace. Now, allow your awareness to expand, taking in the soft sounds of nature surrounding you. Feel your senses heighten, your mind opening to symphony of life that exists all around you. Let your spirit wander, journeying through the landscapes of your imagination. Envelop yourself in the calming soundscape. Let your thoughts drift to expansive golden meadows. Picture the wind whispering secrets to the tall, swaying grasses, the golden blades dancing in the soft breeze. Can you feel the comforting embrace of the sun, its gentle rays warming your skin? Can you hear the distant hum of insects, the rhythm of life that fills the air? Visualize the colors of the meadow, the vibrant greens and golds shimmering the sun. Feel your connection to this place, a serene sanctuary that exists within your own mind. As the meadow slowly fades away, find yourself standing on the edge of a secluded beach. Feel the fine sand beneath your feet, the tiny grains cool and comforting against your skin. Listen to the soothing rhythm of the waves as they lap against the shore, a calming lullaby that stirs a sense of tranquility within you. Can you taste the salty tang of the sea air on your lips, the distinct flavor of the ocean? Can you feel the cool sand beneath your feet, the grounding sensation anchoring you in this peaceful moment? Visualize the sea, the azure waves sparkling under the sunlight, the horizon stretching out in a seemingly infinite expanse before you. The tranquil beach scene dissolves slowly, replaced by the verdant expanse of a lush forest. Listen to the leaves rustling in the gentle breeze, their soft whispers forming a soothing symphony. Look up to see sunlight filtering through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Can you smell the rich earthiness of the forest floor, the fresh scent of the leaves? Can you sense the life that teems in every corner of the forest, a testament to the enduring power of nature? Feel the forest's energy, the life force that pulses through its veins. Let this journey through these serene landscapes fill your senses with their unique beauty and tranquility. Allow the peaceful ambience to wash over you, soothing your mind, calming your heart, grounding your being. Let every rustle of the leaves, every wave that laps the shore, every bird song that echoes through the forest serve as a reminder of the harmony that exists in nature. This harmony is a balm for your senses, a soothing lullaby that lulls you into a state of deep relaxation. As you continue on this journey, let the serene beauty of these landscapes fill you with a sense of peace and tranquility. Allow it to wash away your fears, your worries, your stress. Let it soothe your senses, calm your mind, and instill a sense of inner peace within you. Relish in the serene harmony of nature. Allow it to soothe your senses. Deepen your relaxation as you continue your journey through tranquility. Picture a serene forest, untouched by any human disruption. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in the heart of nature. Connect your soul with the beauty and stillness that nature has to offer. Picture a vast sky, clear and blue, stretching out before you. It's an artwork of the divine, an endless stretch of tranquility. Now allow your mind to paint fluffy white clouds drifting lazily across the expanse. Each cloud is unique, forming shapes that only you can see. Each puff in the sky is a different story, dancing in the rhythm of the wind. Yet they all share one purpose, to guide you towards a state of deep calm. As you watch these clouds meander across your mind's sky, turn your focus inward. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each breath you take. The sensation of in and out, the change in your body. It's a miraculous event that often goes unnoticed. The air enters your lungs, fresh and cool, and leaves warm and comforting. This is the ebb and flow of your life force, a gentle tide that moves in harmony with the universe. It's a cosmic dance, a rhythm that binds us all. Let it wash over you, each wave of breath carrying away tension and stress. Now shift your attention from the sky to a waterfall, calcifying down a mountainside in your mind's eye. Hear the soothing rush of water as it tumbles over rocks and plunges into a clear pool below. The water, falling with grace, creating a symphony of nature's music, soothing your soul. Each droplet is like a thought, some rushing by quickly, others lingering. Each droplet like a memory, originating from the same source, but taking different paths. As they all join together in the pool, creating a beautiful mosaic of your consciousness. Each droplet contributing to the totality, creating a harmonious existence. This pool is not just a body of water, but a representation of your mind, a reflection of your thoughts and emotions. These are the thoughts that make you, you. Embrace them, cherish them. This isn't just a journey through tranquility, it's an exploration of your very being, an uncovering of your inner self. And as you delve deeper into this journey, you'll find a new appreciation for the beauty that lies within you and around you. This journey is your path to peace and tranquility and a deeper understanding of the universe and your place in it. Each moment in this journey is a step closer to discovering your true self. As our journey continues, let the world around you soften and blur. Take a deep breath and close your eyes for a moment. Let go of your preoccupations, your worries, your stress. Now imagine the gentle, soothing colors of tranquility washing over you, starting with the calming tones of lavender. Envision a sea of lavender, its serene waves lapping at the borders of your conscious awareness. Let this color, so soothing and calm, wash away any remaining tension. Let it cleanse your thoughts, clear your mind of clutter, and soothe your spirit. Let the lavender reach every corner of your consciousness. Let the scent of this beautiful field fill your senses with peace. Now, gently steer your mind's eye away from this field of lavender and towards the vibrant realm of blue. Blue, like the clarity of the midday sky or the depth of the calmest ocean. Envision this color, this essence of serenity, of balance and harmony. It's as if you are floating in this azure expanse, weightless, unburdened, free. With every breath you draw in, you dive deeper into this ocean of calmness, further away from the noisy surface of stress and worry. You are immersing yourself in peace, becoming one with the tranquil rhythm of your breath. Transitioning further, allow the color green to fill your vision, vibrant and full of life. Green, like a lush, verdant forest, or a field of grass swaying gently in the breeze. Let this color, this essence of renewal, growth and healing, infuse your being. Feel this green energy revitalizing your spirit, rejuvenating your senses. The gentle rustling of leaves, the smell of morning dew, the sensation of cool grass under your feet. Let these sensations fill your senses. Take a moment, a pause to bask in these calming colors. Lavender, blue and green. They are surrounding you, embracing you, filling you with their serenity. Feel their gentle waves, their soothing energy, washing over you, calming your thoughts, soothing your spirit, healing your soul. As you continue on this journey, let these colors slowly fade into a soft, gentle glow. Let it envelop you, cradle you in its warm embrace. Feel the glow seep into your being, filling every corner, every crevice with peace and tranquility. Let go of all tension, let go of all worries. You are here, in this moment, surrounded by peace, wrapped in serenity. You are safe, you calm, you're at peace. Surrender to the tranquil rhythm of your breath, to the peaceful silence within you. As our journey comes to a gentle close, allow the soothing chimes to guide you back to your surroundings. As we come to the end of this transformative journey, it's essential to reflect upon the path we've tread. You've been on an extraordinary voyage, a journey of inner serenity and deep tranquility. A journey not dictated by the hustle of the outer world, but by the peace of your inner one. Each step you took brought you closer to yourself. Every breath you drew held a new revelation. The journey has been filled with moments of silent contemplation and deep introspection. You've uncovered hidden depths of your soul and embraced the profound peace that resides within you. You've connected with the core of your being and have let tranquility guide your way through the whirlwind of life. As the gentle chimes reverberate softly around you, it's time to return to the reality of your life. But this return isn't a harsh jolt back into the world. Instead, it's a gentle transition, as smooth as the soft rustling of leaves carried by the wind, as effortless as a feather floating a serene stream. Now, it's time to reflect on the calmness you've cultivated. Visualize it as a gentle flame flickering within you. It's a beacon of tranquility glowing from within, untouched by the chaos of the outside world. This calmness isn't fleeting or transient. Instead, it's enduring, constant. It's become an integral part of who you are. It's your sanctuary, a sacred temple within your soul that you can return to any time, anywhere. Take a moment, sit in this calmness, feel it, cherish it. And now imagine this tranquility radiating outwards from you, spreading like the soft rays of a golden morning sun. It touches everything in its path, bathing them in its warmth, in its peace. Your calmness now isn't just for you. It's a gift, a precious token of serenity you can share with the world. Your calmness can be a source of solace for others, a haven of peace in a bustling world. The world needs your tranquility, your peace. Share it. Let it spread like a ripple in a pond. Let it touch lives. Let it transform them. Now imagine this tranquility radiating outwards from you. Like the warmth of a morning sun, it touches everything in its path. It's a gift, not just for you, but for everyone around you. Your calmness can be a source of solace, a haven of peace in a bustling world.